उसमें नॉर्मल, ये वाला नॉर्मल मॉड में मेरे हिसाब से थ्री लेवल्स ऑफ रीजन आता है। इसमें ये छोटा वाला बैटरी वाला, ये तेरा रिकॉन है ना, उसमें 10 लेवल्स आता है, इसमें 3 लेवल्स आ रहा है।
ये कौन सा आपका रिकॉन नहीं है?
हाँ मेरा रिकॉन है, मैं वहाँ पे चला लिया ना रिकॉन।
ये नॉर्मल वाला है?
ये नॉर्मल वाला है 7 पॉइंट।
एडजस्टेबल सस्पेंशन दोनों में है ना?
हाँ दोनों में।
बैटरी एवरीथिंग इज सेम एंड देन रीजनरेशन।
और पावर भी अलग है, उसका 40, इसका 36 है, तेरा 40 है, ये 36 है।
10 nm का डिफरेंस है।
हाँ टॉर्क भी 10 Nm का है, वो ये 100 है और ये 90 Nm है।
ये 36 है व्हाट तो इसका?
हाँ
एंड दिस इज 40।
हाँ
36.5 है 40.5 ना, ऐसा था कुछ?
नहीं 40 है,
एग्जैक्ट 40।
Okay, so you have the two men in action here. Ayush Sharma, the wheelie king. Then you have Prakash, my brother from another mother from Hyderabad, and a former drag racer. And then we have a beautiful technological marvel here, the Ultraviolet F77 Mark II. And we're going to go riding down this stretch all the way to the bottom, and let's see what awaits us there. We have a beautiful view here in and of itself, but then let's go down. They say we have even better view once we go down to the actual viewpoint. So let's get going, boys. Okay, another thing is, this is the F77 Mark II, the 7.1 kilowatt hour battery pack. So the IDC range here is 211 kilometers. The top speed remains the same at 155, but the power changes. The Recon gets 40 bhp, this one gets 36, whereas the torque, Recon gets 100 newton meters, this one gets 90 newton meters. Apart from that, the equipment is all same. 43 mm USD forks, preload adjustable, monoshock, preload adjustable, steel radial tires, and of course the battery protection, this casing, everything is top notch. Then the stereo console again is very well sorted, and we are in ballistic mode now. I don't think we need that. We put it in compact, start the motor. We're good to go now. 0 to 60 comes up in 2.9 seconds. Oh, a beautiful location Ultraviolet have chosen for allowing us to unleash this technological marvel. And these guys are actually going down. Oh god. Be careful, careful, careful. Oh, the viewpoint is just breathtaking, huh? वहाँ पे भी अच्छा ही है. Oh, just look at this, perfect. And I like to go and ride this first, give you a ride impression, because I've already ridden the Recon. You guys might have seen that video already. Long press and the brake. Okay, that's how it works. In combat, you gotta climb up this small descent. Not meant for off-roading, huh? Mind you. Every minute thing has been taken care of, and the kind of protection, the truck, this becomes an issue. Saw how close he went. So the thing is, in terms of battery protection, You have 5 levels of battery protection being offered, and a cell level fuse being provided, which means any cell malfunction is contained within the cell. I don't think we are allowed in here, the gate is closed. So let's go further. So combat mode is more than sufficient, and I feel Halley and his brother picked up this model, very affordable, and up to 8 lakh kilometer warranty is what they're offering, which means you can imagine the kind of confidence these guys have in their machine. It's absolutely brilliant in terms of stability, agility. Oh god, seems very impressive for daily usage, for office commutes. If you want a daily commuter in the affordable price, I mean, nothing matches the kind of value this one, because with the reduced price of the Mark II, it makes a lot more sense, and we can see a lot more takers now. And the boost charger is something that you get along with this. Only thing is, it doesn't have a universal charging slot, so you need to carry your charger, or you have to look up to the Supernova charging station. Oh, there you have. Put it on the ballistic, man. There you go. Woo-hoo-hoo. Incredible. Triple digit speeds in no time. Oh god. Oh ho ho. What a view. I feel like James Hillier from the Isle of Man. Oh, gotta be careful in these village areas, because cattle, children, people. But that stretch was amazing, huh? Really, really amazing. Can we go there one more time? Let's try and turn around here. And having 100 plus range, despite being in the ballistic mode, is fabulous, man. Like, these guys are riders themselves, so they know what they're doing, they know what the riders want. So 186 kilometers of ballistic range is incredible. Lip smacking. I said, just give me more, just give me more. What a feeling. The adrenaline is there, boy. This stretch is amazing. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh boy. Oh boy. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Jaw-dropping fun. This is what Indian motorheads are capable of for you, my boy. It makes us feel proud, aren't we? Rock solid stability, and it's like you enter some kind of different realm. Quantum realm, but then very satisfying, very well thought out. This thing, nice and peaceful and quiet. I think one more stretch is there once you go past these villages, where we can just ride freely. Oh boy, what a lovely feeling, and what a lovely day.